We're at a turning point in the history of this planet. We are well aware of the problems we face. Some people are interested in healing the wounds of the planet. Others are interested in creating a new way of being here on the planet. Whether your path leads you in one direction or the other, you are invited to participate in designing the future. That future will be the next step in our evolution. That's the whole reason for the existence of GBGU.
Because we live in exciting times, in changing times. There's nothing constant in this world but change. It's very important to understand what is happening. Meaning means that you understand how things hang together, that you can connect the dots. In an ordinary university education, you get the dots. You get the sort of the pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. Very good detail, fine definition, but you don't understand where it belongs.
In modern times, we've held a mechanistic worldview which has got us to the place where we are now. This means conceptually reducing the whole to its parts and not recognizing that a system is more than the sum of its parts. At the time, that worked well for innovation and scientific thinking, but now we have run into the limitations of that model. What is needed now is the recognition that life on Earth is a system that is more than the sum of its parts. It's a living system which is always evolving and is based on networks of relationships. The holistic paradigm explains and allows us to perceive the wholeness of the system that we're part of.
That's the great challenge of our day, to move from a materialistic reductionist paradigm to a systemic, to a holistic paradigm.
Our consciousness is an important part of the living system of the planet, and it contributes to the next step in its evolution by helping to unify the various networks of relationships. In that way, your awareness and state of mind are what make you an active participant in evolution. Once you are aware, you can begin to take further action, such as learning with others what this is all about and building a community for actions. That's why we formed GBGU, a transnational academic whole brain learning community. We collaborate on building the necessary knowledge base, becoming increasingly aware, and placing action both globally and locally for a sustainable future.
We are here because we are children of the cosmos. As a first segment of the courses in this university, you come to understand how is it that we were born into this cosmos? How is our world developed the way it has developed? This is important to understand, because then you go on and try to find out what is wrong about this world, what is right about this world, and how we could build a better world. So join us in this university. You will never regret it.